In today's video, we're going to cover some important facts of what's happening in the market and some perspectives that not many are talking about. So number one, the question that I think is on everyone's mind, will prices decrease? And the short answer is we don't know. It hasn't happened yet, but there's a good chance prices will come down at least to some extent. And I'd like to offer some perspective on that. Housing prices have increased in the Lansing area an average of 3.9% per year since being tracked in 1978. Housing prices from 2020 through today have increased about 27.8%. That's 17% higher than what normal appreciation rates would have been over this period of time. So I'd like to use an example, and let's assume that housing prices fall 10% over the next year. The Lansing area is still ahead of normal appreciation rates by about 7% over this period of time, and homeowners have plenty of equity, and a wave of foreclosures is highly unlikely. For prices to decline sharply, we would need an excess of supply or a massive drop-off in demand or a combination of the two. Leading up to the 2008 crash, there was about 4.5 months worth of inventory on the market, meaning if nothing new hit the market, it would take an average of 4.5 months for everything to sell in all price ranges. Today's supply is about 5 weeks worth of inventory, so if nothing new hit the market, it would take only 5 weeks for everything to sell in our area. So when we talk about supply, new construction has slowed down by 8.1% month over month and is continuing to trend at a slower pace. So a decline in prices is not going to come from an excess in supply. Sales are still happening every day for the listings that are priced right. New offers being made by buyers is down 13.5% year to date, and the median sale price is up 7.5% year to date. So if prices do decline, that doesn't mean the real estate market plunges. A 6 to 10% decrease in prices would be a factor of decreased demand and prices beginning to balance out to a more normal level. Thanks for watching, and call or text anytime with questions.